Hello, and welcome to Australian Immigration, your go-to channel for all things related to Australian visas. Today we have some exciting news to share with you. As of today, there are some rule changes coming into effect for Australian student visas. So let's dive right in and explore what these changes are all about. Streamlined Student Visa Framework. The first major change is the introduction of the Streamlined Student Visa Framework. This new framework aims to simplify the student visa process and enhance the overall experience for international students. Under the SSVF, the visa process will be streamlined based on the risk assessment of the education provider and the country of citizenship of the applicant. Assessment levels. Previously, student visa applicants were assigned an assessment level based on their country of origin and the education provider they intended to study with. However, under the new rule, assessment levels will be removed. This means that regardless of your nationality or the institution you choose, you will now be subject to the same visa requirements and application process. Financial capacity. One significant change relates to financial capacity. Previously, international students were required to demonstrate sufficient funds to cover their tuition fees and living expenses for the duration of their studies in Australia. However, starting today, the financial requirements have been modified to align with the individual circumstances of each applicant. This change aims to make it easier for genuine students to pursue their educational goals in Australia. English language proficiency. Another important change is related to English language proficiency. Previously, international students were required to meet specific English language requirements, depending on the level of study they intended to undertake. Under the new rule, applicants will still need to demonstrate their English language proficiency. However, the level of English language skills required may vary based on the course and education provider. Work limitations. Lastly, there is an update regarding work limitations for student visa holders. Previously, student visa holders were allowed to work up to 40 hours per fortnight during their studies and unlimited hours during breaks. With the new rule, the work limit during studies remains the same. However, during breaks, international students can now work unlimited hours without any restrictions. Remember, it's crucial to stay informed and up to date with the latest visa requirements. If you're planning to study in Australia, make sure to check the official government websites and consult with an authorized migration agent for personalized advice. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time on Australian Immigration.